Hey, well, today I'm going to talk to you about something I just ordered for my Ford Expedition, the 03 Ford Expedition. I found a supercharged engine for sale on eBay with free flat rate shipping, with taxes and everything. It ended up being about $2,400, and for a complete engine, I believe that's a good deal. Let's look at these pictures of it. There you go, the top of the engine, side, that's the exhaust manifold, and they put it on a pallet. I'm going to ship it to me. It looks like it has most of the wiring harness. If not, I can use what's on the current engine. And when I get done installing it to the Expedition, I can take it to a shop and have it custom tuned. Now, of course, I'm going to do my own intake and everything like that for it to customize it. And this engine came out of a Harley Davidson version of the F150, which had the exact same engine as the SVT Lightning. So I'm really happy. I finally found myself a supercharged engine to work on my sleeper Expedition. So this is a really big step towards that goal. And of course, having my original engine as a rebuildable spare, I can build another engine for when this one starts getting tired, because it does have 170,000 miles. But it's better than the engine I have in there right now, which has about 260,000 miles. So I'd say this is a good deal, and I'm looking forward to getting this engine and installing it in the Expedition. I'm going to wait for warmer weather before I start the installation, but at least I've got this engine on the way. It'll be coming soon, and when it gets here, I'll make a video showing the actual engine when it arrives on a pallet. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Mad Boosting, and have a great day in Mad Boosting.